Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my favorite go-to keto-friendly foods with you, and I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has a list of my favorite 30 keto-friendly foods. These are all the foods that I've enjoyed while I've been on and off keto over the last 5 years. And as always, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite keto-friendly foods. I've got lots more keto content coming to you in the new year, so be sure to subscribe for that. So I've got a little haul. I actually just went to Aldi. Pretty much everything except one item here is from Aldi, and these are my go-tos that I always have in my kitchen. So when I want to have keto days, this is what I have. So I'm going to start over here with my fruit and veg, starting with a giant bag of spinach that either I'll use as a base for a salad or I'll just saute some with fried eggs for breakfast. There's just so many ways to have spinach, and yeah, so I always just keep kind of simple with my veg. I love spinach. We've got some broccoli. Lately I've been making loads of broccoli soups, so I've got broccoli for that, or I'll just saute it and have it either as a side with a meal with eggs for breakfast as well. I love having sauteed veggies with eggs for breakfast, so I'll have it with eggs for breakfast, or as a side with a bit of meat, or yeah, in a soup that I've been making loads lately. And my other favorite is, these upside down mushrooms. My other favorite's these mushrooms, which, yeah, I'll either saute it, make a lovely creamy mushroom sauce to go with some meat or for this piece of steak on the side, or again with eggs for breakfast, or in soup. Yeah, it's winter time here in Ireland, so I'll be making loads of soup. So yeah, I've got just those for veggies. I've also got zucchini still in the fridge, and onion and garlic that I use to just make everything go a little bit further. And for fruit this week, I actually only just got lemons, limes, and all berries are keto friendly. I just got some lemons because I've just been making some nice soothing lemon drinks, just having a bit of lemon, apple cider vinegar, actually mixing it all together. It also helps with keto flu. If you're new to keto, keeps your electrolytes up. So yeah, I've been buying some lemons and also making some lemon sweet treats, lemon mousse to enjoy as a sweet treat for when those sweet cravings strike. But that's kind of fruit and veg. I often also buy frozen berries or fresh when they're in season, as well as my fruity options. And now for oil, I have got coconut oil. That's kind of my go-to. They've got it here at Aldi, so that's what I got. I always make sure I've got an extra jar of coconut oil, as well as coconut flour. They've been having this at Aldi lately, so I've been getting this coconut flour that I use in all kinds of keto baked treats. It's kind of my go-to flour, so I got it at Aldi. And as far as protein for the week goes, I've got this beef mince. With keto, you tend to find that the highest fat, it's actually cheaper, but it's actually also better, a low carb, high fat protein. So I got beef mince. I'm probably going to just make bunless burgers with these and then just have them with a bit of spinach on the side as a nice meal. I've also actually been making bolognese with it, and I just actually add a little bit of tomato puree. I like adding tamari or soy sauce to it just for some flavor, so there's less tomato and less carbs, and just having it with cheese or with zucchini noodles. So that's my beef mince. And I got a whole chicken. Just going to simply roast a chicken and then use any leftover chicken and bones to make soup, because yeah, soup and broth weather is what I've been making, but I just got that to have as a lovely whole roast. And my other protein, go-to protein, is eggs. As I've mentioned a few times, eggs for breakfast. So I'll either have an omelette or fried eggs or scrambled eggs. And so I always make sure I get more eggs. These very large ones from Aldi are brilliant, and that is what I've got. And now, yes, I definitely have a sweet tooth. If you're new to keto, don't try and make every single sweet. You might even want to have some time completely off of sweets. But yeah, as I said, on and off for 5 years. So I kind of have my routine down. I get this 85% dark chocolate from Aldi, and either I'll make a hot chocolate with it, or they are individually packaged, so I might just have a row as a snack, and it kind of helps me with those sweet cravings. So yeah, this 85, aim for 85-90% chocolate. Just read the nutrition panel, be sure you're happy with the carb content that the chocolate has to include in your diet, but usually those ones tend to be lowest in the carbs. And now for dairy, natural yogurt is what I've got this Greek style natural yogurt. Usually plain natural Greek yogurt, even plain coconut yogurt, tends to be the lowest in carbs and sugars. And then you can sweeten it with a bit of stevia, grate a bit of chocolate in. I've been using it in all kinds of other sweet treats lately, making chia puddings as well. I like to keep this, so I've got the option and the good healthy nutrition and cream to add into my hot chocolates. I'll make mousse with it. I've always got options of cream, sour cream. Lately, actually, instead of buying sour cream, I've just been getting the plain natural yogurt, and when I feel like having either mayo or sour cream, I'll just use the natural yogurt instead. It's less things in my little fridge and it's kind of perfect. And butter, I love using butter in baking and cooking, alternate between coconut oil and butter. So I've got this lovely Irish butter here to include in my keto diet. And cheese, this is the only non-LD item. I always get this from Dunn's. I've always got a few of these grated cheddars, grated cheese in my fridge. So you just always get all the cheeses. You can get brie, feta, any cheese that you want, but I've just got this grated cheese at the moment, as well as cream cheese that I'll either make a cheesecake mousse or just even a cheesecake. There's loads of ideas to include cream cheese in a low-carb, high-fat, ketogenic diet. But yeah, that's the video for today with my favorite keto-friendly foods, pretty much all from Aldi, as I said. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has my top 30 keto-friendly foods, a whole list of them with loads and loads of recipes to help you whether you're getting started or back onto keto. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite keto friendly foods. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.